Hello, welcome, and in this video we'll be going over inputs and outputs. So, let's say you're printing out 3 or 4. When you print out 4, you get 4. But let's say I want the user to put in an input. What I do is I have my variable x equals input, spelled like this, brackets, and then a quotation mark. And inside these quotation marks, you write what you want the user to put in. So let's say you want the user to put in their name. You write name space print x. This is your input, this is your output. You run it, name from here. You can call it anything, you can call it name, age, etc. Name, my name is Kevin. It prints out Kevin. Now let's say it's his age. Okay, what I do, age, I put in my age, 16. But let's say you want to do your age plus 4, right? Well, when you run it, let's say my age is 16, an error happens, and it says it's a string, not an integer. What this means is the input is a string, and we'll go over strings in a video in the future. But all you gotta know is that a string is basically just a sentence. So what you do is int, quotation marks, or brackets, you run, you put in 16, you get out 16 plus 4, 20. And if I were to put in a word like 7, it'd be an error. This is Python inputs and outputs. Thank you.